Hey there, it's Charlotte from the Mac Observer here. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I have finally got my hands on a 2019 10.2 inch iPad. Space grey, I got 128 gigabytes. Anyway, there are lots of features and tips and tricks that I want to share in the coming weeks on videos and articles. But for now, I thought I'd show you what's inside the box. Yes, so here we go. I finally get a 10.2 inch iPad. There we go. Can't wait to get that plastic sheeting off. Yeah, I picked it up in space grey, which you can see in the back there. And the box actually hasn't got that much in it. We've got obviously all your charging cable elements. So yes, we have the USB-C cable. And the classic 2-part charger. Obviously I'm in the UK, so I've got the UK plug point. It all feels very neat and tidy and very classic Apple. Thank you so much for joining me here on the Mac Observer's YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe and of course join us every day for news, views and podcasts on themacobserver.com.